Happy holidays. What's up, everyone? I'm Deadnsyde, backed by unpopular demand, and I have a question. You know what loss porn is? Loss porn. That's like when people are taking pictures of their portfolio or they're showing how much money they lost on Wall Street bets. So you already know who's the number one lost porn star, Deadnsyde. And I plan on bringing it back. 2026, YouTube's been missing that loss porn. So moving forward, you're going to see a lot of transparency, and I plan on going live as much as possible, really. But to make this productive, I wanted to go over some things that I've been seeing that's kind of interesting in the last few days and weeks. And I want to speed run through this so we can minus all the rambling. So check this out. Nike stock has been dropping quite a bit, but Tim Cook just bought shares. Not too crazy, $2.9 million worth. Okay, insider buy, Tim Cook, 2.9 million. Then there was a director who purchased about 500,000. Okay, remember that, 2.9. Now look at Nike. COVID lows were $60. Look, we're almost right back to where we were. And God, if you've been holding this stock for the last 10 years since 2015, 10 years. Oh, wow. 10 years ago, you're not in the money. And I'm not going to go into too much detail with Nike, but you might think that's pretty significant, right? Well, look at this insider buy with DoorDash. Okay? Look at this insider buy. Code P. So code S, right? Sales, code P. Lynn Alfred, $100 million. And what price did he buy it at? $195. So that's the biggest insider buy in DoorDash's history. Now, if you look at the chart, and this is like a monthly chart. So yeah, we're not looking at daily or whatever. We're just trying to lessen the noise. It is not extended like most names. We're speed running through this. Another thing that really caught my attention, Naval, a meditation guru, thought influencer, has been kind of, I don't like the word pumping, but has been talking about this a lot. And by the way, Naval, he's been on Joe Rogan, very successful. Elon Musk follows him. So whenever these guys start talking, it's always worth your watch list, always worth your time. If Satoshi Nakamoto was to ever spend any Bitcoin, the whole world would know that is a bad thing, not a good thing. Well, Zcash, it's encrypted Bitcoin. That's the idea. And the last insider buy that caught my attention was MSCI. The CEO has been buying a ton of shares. He hasn't been this active since 2008. Well, he hasn't been this active since 2024. Basically, they make the official stock list, the indexes, and investing data and tools that big funds use to decide what to buy and to track performance. Now, it wouldn't be right for me to not bring up space-related names. Rocket Lab. God, I put my money on the wrong horse. If you've been following this channel since 2021, I was invested heavily in Astra. God, I wish they were still public.
7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Mission 0. Abort.
Looks like an abort was called at T0.
Look at the stop.
Again, abort called right near T0. Teams are currently working through their abort procedures and we're standing by for word of the next attempt.
Somebody said, did they forget to plug it in? Rocket Lab went from 3, I actually bought it at 3 and then sold it at like 4. And I was like, God, I'm amazing at this. And this stock flew. Also ASTS with SpaceX potentially going public in 2026. I think this sector could heat up. So I've been extremely busy with my e-commerce business, TrackTrain. It's a music platform for producers to sell their instrumentals, launched in 2013. And with these new AI tools, I'm like, okay, now that that business is becoming more and more automated, I really feel like now is the best time for us to invest in ourselves. I mean, there's never been a better time in history to invest in yourself. And that revolves around anything that will help us develop ourselves. Let's have a happy, healthy, highly profitable year in 2026. And I will see you in the next video. I'll see you very soon. Peace.